I'm not meant to end here. I refuse to be small all my life. I will go to Lagos.
My daughter, sit down. Let me talk to you. Mama, I already know what you want to say.
No, you don't. This Lagos you are rushing to, many people entered with hope and came back with tears. That is their own story. Mine will be different. Mama, please. I don't want to live like you. I want more. Amaka, Lagos is where things happen. Yeah. Opportunities everywhere, connections, money. I knew it. I knew my life would change. This is it. No turning back now. I will make you proud, Mama. You'll see. Jesus, this place is huge. Cars everywhere, people everywhere. So this is Lagos. This is where destiny happens. So today, this place is beautiful. You mean you live like this every day? Get used to it. Yeah. My life has finally started.
Yes guys, this video you just watched was made with a totally free AI tool, right? And in this video I'm going to be showing you this AI tool and how you can be able to achieve what I have just done, right? How you can literally use your images to talk, okay? How you can literally make your pictures, your images, any image of your choice to talk, okay? So for you to access this AI tool and do what I've just done, go to Google. Okay, go to Google and search for Flow AI. Yes, Flow AI. Okay, just scroll down depending on whatever it is found on your own browser. So just go to click on Flow AI. So once you get to this Flow AI, this is what the interface looks like, right? Yes, and I'm going to be exploring the app in case. So once you come here, just tap on Create with Flow. You're expected to sign in. This is what the interface looks like. Okay, I'm just going to be using Google VEO free of charge on this website. Okay, now one thing you need to understand is that any AI tool that says you can actually use it free, it has a limit, right? It has a limit. It has terms and conditions. Okay, I just want to put this disclaimer out there. Now the secret to actually any free AI tool is to have a lot of emails. Okay, now those videos you saw me, I literally used 2 emails to do them. After I finished working on one email and I exhausted my credit, I had to switch to another email. So yes, before you even start thinking of creating videos with free AI tools, you need to ensure you have emails, 2 or 3 emails you can actually switch on to complete your work. Yes, you can literally complete a full 2-minute AI video without paying anything. That is if you have other emails, right? Okay, so I'm literally going to be, and another thing about AI is that a lot of times you want to generate images or you want to generate videos, and the first one and the second one you generate may not give you what you want, and that means you have wasted that particular credit. You just have to keep on generating until you get it, right? So in the process of trying to do that, you may have lost credits. Okay, so that is why you need other emails that you can actually use to continue your work. Okay, so I've started working with this email already. Let me see if I still have more credits. So basically, or let me just log out so that you're going to see what your interface looks like. I'm just going to sign out from this particular one. You can see. So once you sign in, this is what the interface is going to look like. Project Gemini, Launch Gemini, Launch Whisk, Launch Flow. So you're going to tap on Launch Flow. So once you tap on Launch Flow, you're going to create with Flow. Tap on Create with Flow. Okay, and then select the email you want to use. I'm just going to select an email I've not used. Okay, so just click on Get Started. Okay, once you click on Get Started, you're going to be welcome to this interface. This is actually a video I have done with this email. I don't even know I've done something with this email itself. So just come down here and click on New Projects. So once you click on New Projects, this is where you're going to land. You come down, you're going to see Start, you're going to see End. If you come to the right here, you're going to see Video. Tap on Video. Once you tap on Video, this is where you're going to see If you want to create your image, you tap on this place. If you want to do a video, you leave it on video. Just leave the frames, the ingredient, and all of them like that. You tap on this place to choose your aspect ratio. Is it 9 by 16 or 16 by 9? If you want to work on YouTube Shorts, or you want to work on Facebook or TikTok, you click this one. If you want to work on Facebook long form video, on YouTube long form video, you click on this one, right? So just leave everything the way it is. So you can see you are working with VEO 3.1 Lite. It has other versions, but these ones are actually free. But these ones are actually paid versions. So just leave it at VEO 3.1 Lite. Okay, so you come back to the left here. Now, for you to import your image to start creating your video, tap on Start. Once you tap on Start, you're going to be welcome to this interface. So just tap on this upload icon here, and then it will lead you to your gallery. Just select the image you want to select. Select the image you want to work with. Okay, so this is the image I want to work with. Just wait for the image to load. Once the image finishes loading, you're going to see it right here. So the image is done loading. I'll just go to ChatGPT and copy my prompt so I can continue with the video I was working on. I'm actually working on a short movie of a girl that was desperate to go to Lagos to change her life. Now this is where I'm here. It says Amaka holding small bag, nervous. This is it, no turning back. She looks once behind her. I will make you proud, mama, you will see. So I'm just going to select this scene 6. I'm going to select this. Let's see what we have. So I'm just going to paste it here. This place that says what do you want to create. So once I paste it, I'll just come back to the right here and then hit here for it to start generating. Okay, it can literally generate up to 8 seconds video for you, unlike other free websites or free apps that will just allow you to create only 5-minute videos. So this is actually good. So you scroll up and then see your video loading. Let's see what it is going to give us. And one thing about this app is that it is actually very fast for a tool that is free of charge. So this is something you should actually get hands on. Okay, like I said, once you start working and you're done with your credit, they're going to tell you your credit is over. All you need to do is to just sign out and sign in into another email. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's see what we have.
This is it. No turning back now. I will make you proud, mama. You'll see. This is it. No turning back now. I will make you proud, mama. You'll see. This is it.
You can see the video is actually nice. So for you to download, just click on long press. You click on download, and that is it. So let's do something else. Let's do something else. Okay, I'll make you proud. Then this is where she's in busy Lagos street. Jesus, this place is huge. So I'm just going to copy this one again. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. This is actually a dialogue where she arrives Lagos. Okay, so for this scene, I'm literally going to change the image. So for me to change my image, I will come above here where this arrow is pointing back. I'll tap on the arrow so that it will take me back to our original interface. I'll just scroll down again and then click on Start to change my image. Let me select the image of where she is in Lagos already. Remember, I've created all my images already, so this is where she's in Lagos already. Okay, wait for your image to load. So my image is done loading. I'll just paste my prompt again and then go back, scroll back to the right and then hit on generate. then wait for it come up again while it's generating. This is actually cool, guys. You just have to try this. And if you can take time, one thing about dialogue movies that I have a movie on my channel that I talked about, that I taught how to create AI movies with dialogue and consistent characters. Okay, so you can see my character is consistent. They just have wearing different clothes. Okay, so you have to give your prompts very well so that you don't keep wasting credits. So the video is ready. Let's tap on it to see what we have.
Jesus, this place is huge. Cars everywhere, people everywhere. So this is Lagos. This is where destiny happens. So, Jesus, this place is huge. Cars everywhere, people everywhere. So this is Lagos. This is where destiny happens. So, Jesus, this place is huge.
You can see her
Cars
face is the same. You can see her same face is the same everywhere. You can check out my video to see how you can make your characters to look alike even when their dresses change. Okay, just long press it again and download. Okay, let me see if I can do another thing. Okay, now inside apartment, welcome to soft life. This place is beautiful. You mean you live like this every day? Get used to it. My life has finally started. Okay, so let's copy this in it. I think this is where she has gotten her friend's apartment. So you still have to change. I still have to change the image again. I'll go back again so I can change the image. Let me select the image. If I was actually doing this in Grok AI, it would have been easier, way more easier, right? Scroll down again and then click on start so I can select another image. Let me select an image of where she is with her friend. Right? So this is where she was with her friend. So I'll just put in the description. Amara is inside her friend's apartment in Lagos. Is with her friend inside her apartment in Lagos. And then I will now paste the dialogue. Don't forget to check out the video I made on how to create a full AI movie. You're really going to learn a lot from that. I actually taught how to create your images and how to make them talk, how to make them consistent. Okay, our video is ready. Let's play it.
Today, this place is beautiful. You mean you live like this every day? Get used to it. My life has finally started. Today, this place is beautiful. You mean you live like this every day? Get used to it. My life has finally started.
So guys, this is actually very beautiful. Yes, you can see I have just done all this with free AI. To go ahead and search for Flow AI and start creating your video. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I have a new video like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.